All right. Is I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around and put your hands on. Yep. Don't you do it, buddy. No. I'm shooting myself. No.
What's up, guys? Squink here. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore, and that's okay. And now I'm here doing these videos where every single day I'm walking into a brand new video blindly because I believe that's the best way to get you to see the cop brain perspective. Every single day I walk through these videos, and every single day I worked as a cop, there was one question that everyone seems to want to know. That goes for social media as well. And that question is,
what the hell are the cops doing? Why are they knocking on my door so loudly? Why do they call it the cop knock? I don't like it. It's too loud. It wakes the dogs up.
So I'm here to answer all those questions, whatever else pops up in today's video. Before we get to that though, I do want to let you know that Administrative Vacation, another fantastic creator here on YouTube, which you can find down below, I'll link his profile, he suggested that I do the Sonia Massey shooting. So I will be doing that tomorrow. It's a controversial shooting, and I think I can bring a unique perspective and my thoughts to the video. So tune in tomorrow for that. It is a longer one. The base video is 36 minutes, but it's okay. It'll be good. We'll make it good. We'll walk through every aspect of it. You'll learn a lot, I promise. But for today's video, it comes from police activity. It is titled, Jasper County Deputy Opens Fire as Suspect Grabs Gun During Arrest. If you've never seen it, walking in blindly. Here we go.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you today?
Pretty well.
The reason I'm pulling yours for 70 and a 55. Any reason for going that fast today?
No, sir, I was just keeping up with traffic.
Okay, fair enough. You got
I like how there's zero traffic.
your license and registration on you?
Can I put it in park?
Yeah. Where you coming from today?
Church and my mom's cemetery.
Okay.
I just want to let you know that I'm a January 6th defendant.
What do you mean?
I stormed the Capitol. I'm waiting on my pardon.
Really?
Yeah. And
What?
I can't really afford to get in any trouble right now.
Okay. I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
I am driving without a license right now.
Okay,
was
so
this?
why are you doing that then?
Well,
126. January 26th. Wow.
I have to. I've been waiting for my
This year.
hardship license. I just moved back from Idaho.
Okay.
And I had to move back here because my federal case.
Okay.
So I'm just in the middle of everything right now.
So with your federal case, why would you have to move back to Indiana?
Well, I had pending traffic violations, and I had to live in Indiana in order to qualify for the hardship license, but
Yep.
they didn't tell me that until I got my federal case, so I moved back to get my license.
Okay. All right. Well, let me see your license here. How many times have you been caught driving without a license?
In my life?
No, just recently. Like, how many have you been caught with the suspended driver's license before?
Yeah, but it hasn't been for years, long time.
Okay. All right, Matt, hang tight for me, okay, and I'll get back with you. All right.
His eyes are just so wide, and I don't know, I guess that concerns me, but maybe that's just me anticipating this.
Actually, you know what? You have the registration for your vehicle.
I just bought this. I have the title in here.
Okay. Is that a corgi back there?
This
Aww.
Okay.
rescue dog.
Okay.
Corgi.
All right.
I have a
All right,
corgi.
Matt, hang tight for me, okay, buddy?
I actually do have a corgi. Fun fact. Okay, so something I just noticed. They teach you in the academy that when you're walking back to the patrol car, it's best to like slant your body and kind of keep an eye on the suspect vehicle, because that's an opportunity several suspects make. It's very easy for them to look in their rearview mirror or their side mirror and see that the cop's back is to them, and if their goal is to shoot a cop, that's one of the best times to do it. So yeah, it's best to kind of like either not walk backwards because you could fall, but just look over your shoulder every once in a while. I gotta switch mice. This one's flashing. Not sure why you
Hey,
guys
Matt,
would
you want to
care.
go ahead and shut your vehicle off and step back here with me real quick?
Yep.
Go ahead and shut it off for me, please.
Okay, here's my prediction. Lots of people, when they're told to exit the vehicle, they get real worked up. They work themselves up because in their minds they're going to jail. And a lot of times that is the case. So whenever necessary, I always found it best to just not tell anyone to exit the vehicle until you have numbers at your side. So until backup arrives, just so you outnumber the suspect.
Am I under
Because a lot of people will fight at that time when they're told to exit.
arrest or anything?
We'll come back here. I'll explain everything to you, okay?
I don't like this digging around he's allowing him to do. Yeah, he's literally digging around right now.
Okay.
I don't like that at all.
Alright, so I'm going to hold on to this real quick while I explain it to you. Okay, so today you're getting off with a verbal warning for the speed. However, you're a habitual
Hand in the pocket, yeah.
traffic violator,
I know.
which means that you are at a felony status for driving while suspended. So today you are going to come with me.
Well, I can't.
You're going to have to, okay? You're
I
going to
can't
come
do
with
it.
me today, all right?
No, I can't go to jail for this, sir.
You're going to have to come.
Can I get a ride?
No.
Are you
There's no-
sure?
this
I
is
will
a-
I'll
there's a-
violate my.
Just listen to me, okay? Number one, it's a felony offense. There's no leeway.
Look at his
with
breathing.
felonies in
Look at his breathing. And,
the state of Indiana. Now,
He's
maybe
really
if it was a
working
misdemeanor
himself
offense,
up.
I could work something out with you, but it's not a misdemeanor. It's a felony offense. Okay? So that's why I can't work with you today with it. Okay? I understand your circumstances, but you understand that you can't drive. Okay? So your driving has resulted into this situation. Okay?
I bet you he's so in his head right now. I bet you he can't even process what the cop is saying right now. He's in fight or flight mode, you can tell.
Now,
He's trying to think of what his next option is.
what I'm going to do, all right, is I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around and put your hands on
Yep.
you. Don't you do it, buddy. No.
I'm shooting myself.
No. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to hold on to this real quick while I explain it to you. Okay, so today you're getting off with a... Okay. Now, you turn around and put your hands on you. Don't you do it, buddy. No.
I'm shooting myself.
No.
He said, "I'm shooting myself."
No.
And he's
No.
presumably Oh my god.
Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do, alright, is I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around and put your hands on you. Don't you do it, buddy. No.
I'm shooting myself.
No.
Okay, let me break this down.
So I'm going to put your information right.
Some people are probably going to ask, okay, if he's going to shoot himself, why does the cop need to shoot him? The gun is the threat. Ultimately, the gun is the threat. So this guy could say he's going to shoot himself, but the moment he starts grabbing for a gun, he becomes an active threat. Even, it doesn't matter that he says, "I'm going to shoot myself." That doesn't matter. When he reaches for the gun and any movement in any amount of direction towards the cop is going to be hyper focused. It's just like yesterday's video. The moment a gun is referenced, the cop goes even more on high alert. So, and adrenaline's going to be going too. So the cop might not even hear, I'm going to shoot myself. He's going to be focused on the hands. They teach you in the academy, the hands are what kill. The hands are what kill. The hands are what throws the punch. The hands are what pulls the trigger. The hands are the one that pulls out the katana blade to slice you in half. It's the hands, not the feet. It's the hands. The hands are what kill. So he's hyper focused on where those hands are headed towards that gun. And at the moment he grabs that gun, he becomes a threat. Let me be real quick with you guys. This guy is so in his head. I'm sure he's stressed out. You know, everyone gets stressed out. But I just want to, aside from the video, things are never as bad as your mind makes them out to be. So if you're ever in a situation where you think that the only option is to... You're wrong. You're wrong. As someone who has been the cop on the other side of situations, I can promise you, most things can be worked out. Most things. And the way things are headed, like, it just seems like no one gets in trouble anymore. It just seems that way. Most things can be worked through. Don't ever take that path. It's not worth it. It's a temporary solution. Or no, it's a permanent solution to a temporary problem. I think the cop did what he needed to do. At the point where the suspect grabs the gun, the guy is a threat. The guy is a big, big threat. For that reason, I give the cop an A. His approach was good. He talked respectfully to the January 6th defendant. Wow, I almost forgot that. He was honest with him. He told him he would give him a break if he could, but unfortunately, because of the felony nature and the habitual nature of violating traffic offenses, he could not just look the other way on a felony, because that would be bad news for the cop. Again, I give him an A. I do these videos every single day. Some of them are rough. Tomorrow's is going to be rough too, with the shooting of Sonia Massey, because from what I hear, it's pretty controversial. And I do remember seeing a short clip, and I just remember thinking, what the hell are the cops doing? And I answer that question every single day. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you guys for tomorrow's video. Also, check out Administrative Vacation. He's solid, man. He's solid, I promise you. He's really great. You can find that link down below. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Have a fantastic Saturday. Bye.